Hi guys, I am going to make some animal noises and I am pretty good at it. Let's start with a dog. I'm sorry, I'm always eating a lot, so let's make the dog noise. If there's a real bark, oh, that's real bark. The real bark was like, woo, 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 woo. But that's a real bark. And now I'm going to make a cat sound. Meow, 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 meow. That's my real cat sound. Next one I'm gonna make is a bird noise. Tweet, 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 tweet. Bird sound. It could be annoying, but I stop. Next one is the piggy noises. This bourbon always makes me stop talking. Next one is the sheep. Bah! 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 And now it's a cow. Moo! 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 Which animal's next? Horse! No! 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 Next one is, I don't know if a bunny makes noise. A deer doesn't make noise. Oh gee, that's a really tough one. A kangaroo, not. Lion! Roar! 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 Seal is next. The next one is a dolphin. Okay. Hyena? Let's see. A wolf. A wolf is. I'm really good at wolves. Really good at wolves. Just like my friend. Ow. Ow. Really good at wolves. Really good at wolves. The next animal I'm thinking of is trying to look around. Monkey! I see a monkey shirt in my drawer. Ooh! Ah! 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 Ooh! Ooh! Ah! 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 Ooh! Ooh! Ah! 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 A frog! Ribbit! 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 Oh boy! Wow, it's a lot of hard stuff to think of. A lot of hard choices to think what animals make. A duck! Quack! 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 Ducks. Ducks are good. Ducks are really good. I love ducks. Quack, quack. A goat. I think that's all the animal sounds I'm making right now. And I will see you in the next video.